Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick, and in today's short YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a workspace in Zen browser. So let's get started. So at the bottom left, you can see the icon. So if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see what this is. A default workspace. And of course, if you have a default workspace, you obviously can create a new one. So to do it, just right click on it and this window will appear. Workspaces in beta mode, and to create a new one, you have to click on the plus icon right here. So let's do it. Now enter workspace name. Let's type here workspace 2. And after that, just click on create workspace right here. Okay, and now you'll see in this window two workspaces. So this is your first workspace and the second one. And accordingly, these workspaces have completely different tabs. So if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.